So the name of the topic is letter to the editor. Note down the heading first. Note down the heading. So what is letter to the editor? A letter to the editor is written to the editor of a newspaper. It is written to highlight a social issue or a problem. So you can just highlight a problem or a social issue. Social issue means we are totally dependent on machines today. Students are using so much internet. Okay? There is a lack of values in today's children. So you can write anything, social issue or a problem. And who is the editor? Editor is the person who is the in charge of all the articles that are published in newspaper. First those articles go to editor, वो उसमें से गलतियां निकालता है and then he gives his approval that this article is now ready to be published. ठीक है? So editor, he is very good in English. ठीक है? He might he have done MA English, so he is very good in English. So उसकी ड्यूटी होती है that in English newspaper especially, that he has to find out the mistake and then he will give his approval. So letter to editor is written to the editor of a newspaper. It is written to highlight a social issue or a problem. I'm giving you 30 seconds. Please note down, and time to time I will ask you to show me your notebook. Meanwhile, I'm finding some students who are sitting with their videos off. Out of 20 students, only Raghav is there. Then I'm moving forward. Mitarthi, Ravjot, Tanvi. Gurnoor again. Sahibpreet, Avneet, Vaibhav. Samriddhi, Arman, Sonam, Jason, Madhav. Okay, next one is format. Now please note down the format. First one is sender's address, means your address. On the left side, you will write your address. The person who's writing the letter is the sender. Then city, the city in which you are living. Okay, then you will leave one line, then you will write date. After date, again you will leave one line, then you will write the editor. After the editor, you will write the name of the newspaper. Yes, beta, you're raising your hand, Adgur.
मैम वो गलती से रेज हो गया था.
Okay, Karthik.
सॉरी मैम.
Okay.
मैम मैंने फॉर्मेट बताने के लिए किया था हैंड रेज.
Okay, after newspaper, what will come? Karthik, after newspaper. Okay, two students can tell me. After newspaper.
Ma'am, after newspaper, then again we have to write the city and then we have to write the subject.
Okay, so
For
while
leaving one line.
considering cities two times, with sender address you have to write city, and with newspaper also you have to write city, because this is possible that the newspaper is having its office in some other city. Okay, maybe you are living in Phagwara, okay, and there is no office of the Tribune or the Hindustan Times in Phagwara, so the person is living in Phagwara, but he has to write to the newspaper which is located in the city Jalandhar. So that's why we write city 2 times. One is the sender's address city and second is the newspaper office city. Okay, but in Jalandhar we can find out all the offices, I think. Okay. So next one is subject. Here you will write the subject. It should be short, not too much long. In the one line probably. Don't use 2-3 lines to express your subject. And then salutation. Salutation means sir or ma'am. Okay. This is the upper format. I'm giving you 30 seconds. Please note down. Then I'll move forward to the body of the letter.
Yes, ma'am.
But I can see your hand raised on the screen. Maybe your, I think it's freeze हुई पड़ी आपकी screen. You can turn off your video for 5-10 minutes, Karthik. I think network issue is there, so you can turn off your video for 10 minutes.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Okay, Gaurish, am I audible? Okay.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, so Karthik, there's network issue from your side. You can rejoin the meeting.
Actually,
You can
ma'am,
Yes, Karthik. No. Okay, now I'm moving to the body of the letter. Body of the letter, there will be 3 paragraphs at least, okay? In the first paragraph, you will introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter. That why are you writing this letter, okay? Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, agar aapko yaad ho that we did the same thing in class 6 also. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of general public and authorities. Here, please add one thing, and authorities. Yes, Karthik, now speak up, please.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now I am audible.
Yes, you are audible. If you have network issue, then you can turn off your video for today only. Okay? If you have.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, ठीक है मेरा network issue ठीक है.
Yes, please.
मैम अब जैसे ये फॉर्मेट का
हाँ जी यस
मैम फिर फर्स्ट फॉर्म ओके मैम मैंने फॉर्मेट बताने के लिए हैंड रेज किया था.
Okay, we have reached to body of the letter. Okay, so I will ask you again when we will write actual letter. Okay, so yes, Devang, you can ask your question, beta.
मैम एक बार लास्ट 3 सेंटेंसेस नरेशन के भेज दोगे ग्रुप में.
Okay, I will send. Savya has sent me, I think, yesterday, so I will send the same. So next one is Harmeet and then Gaurish. Only 4 students are raising their hands. Yes,
मैम जो आपने फॉर्मेट
मैंने भी फॉर्मेट देने के लिए किया था.
मैम जो एडिटर के बाद न्यूज़पेपर और सिटी में कोई लाइन छोड़नी है.
नो बेटा, ओनली डेट के पहले और डेट के बाद. देन
ओके मैम.
देन सिटी के बाद सब्जेक्ट से पहले भी छोड़नी है बेटा. सब्जेक्ट से पहले एंड सब्जेक्ट के बाद.
ओके. और मैम आप हमको कॉपी कब तक भेजनी है आपको?
31st July, बेटा. You are asking about copies or that story narration?
मैम कॉपीज.
Okay, I'll send in the group. ठीक है, I'll send in the group. I just want कि हमारा एक आधा chapter हो जाए, then I'll check it together. Okay. So this is the first paragraph. Okay, introduce yourself and then purpose of writing your letter. You can start like this through the columns of your esteemed newspaper I, and after I you can write your name also. ठीक है. For example, Adgun is on my screen, then she can write through the columns of your esteemed newspaper I, Adgun from this colony, okay, wish to draw the attention of general public and authorities towards the issue of whatever the question is. ठीक है. So this is your example. Now next paragraph, that is paragraph number 2. Give detail of the matter. You can write down the, first of all, always write the present condition. So if there is problem of uh, stray dogs, and I think last time also we did the same one. So present condition, okay. At present we are facing so much problem due to stray dogs. Okay, it's very difficult for us to go out. Okay, and recently our colony members, 5 or 6 of our colony members, they've got bitten by the dog. So this is the present condition. Then causes. So there are so many causes. Okay, because the government authorities are not taking steps. Okay, they don't send their vans to okay, to just pick up these dogs to the shelters. And effect on people, then solutions. So all the 4 things you will cover in the second paragraph. You will start with the present condition कि आजकल क्या condition चल रही है, ठीक है? Then causes, then effect, then solutions. This is the second paragraph. And the third one is conclude. Your conclude means end. End your letter by mentioning what you expect from the editor. तो आप कुछ expect कर रहे हो editor से, what, which thing? That he will highlight your issue in the newspaper. Okay. So there are 2 examples. I hope you will publish this letter in your esteemed newspaper so that some action can be taken in this matter. Now I will wait for 1 to 2 minutes. I know there is much to write, so I'm waiting for 1 to 2 minutes. Please write down.
यस मैम। मैम मैंने पूछना था कि जैसे हमने इसकी लेटर लिखनी है, हमने इसमें हमने डॉग्स की हेल्प के बारे में भी लिखना है कि नोबडी गिव्स देम फूड।
Exactly. Yes, बेटा solutions में आ जाएगा वो, ठीक है? Solutions में.
ओके मैम।
Okay, ma'am. Bye, 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 bye.
Someone was saying okay bye also from your side. So these were the 3 paragraphs. Okay, 1 minute is left. Note down. Then we'll move to the topic. Those who have already noted down, I'm just showing you the topic so that you can think about some of the lines. And yes, beta, this is the ending format. Thanking you, yours truly, your name and designation. Designation means maybe you are the normal member of one colony, so you can write down resident of model town, okay? Or maybe you are the member of some club also. So any designation can come. So this is the ending. Thanking you, yours truly, name, designation. Please show me thumbs up if you have done with this slide. Paragraph 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Jasmine, you can ask your question, beta.
मैम थैंकिंग यू योर्स ट्रूली। मैम उसके बाद मैंने अभी लिखना है नीचे वाला फॉर्मेट।
Okay, beta, I'll show you. I'll show you. So, Devang, have you noted down this slide? Paragraph 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, I am just doing this. Ma'am, it's 2 minutes.
Okay. Hargun, have you noted down? Okay. Veronica is writing. Bishop, have you noted down? Bishop. If you don't want to give reply, then I think I should remove you from the meeting. That's the best way. Yes, Bishop? Have you noted down?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you please show me your notebook? Mitarthi, are you sitting in the class? Mitarthi. No, she's not sitting in the class. Okay, Raghav. Okay, now I'm showing you the ending paragraph, ending format. Jasmine, now you can note down. Thanking you, yours truly, name, designation. So, kuch bhi designation na mile, so you can simply write resident of this colony, dash colony. Otherwise, in the question, your designation will be given. If not, then you can write down resident of dash colony. And that colony should match the address, sender's address. Now, this is the question. Write a letter to the editor of a local newspaper highlighting the problem of water logging during monsoon season. So you might have seen water logging. Water जो होता है वो collect हुआ पड़ा होता है हर जगह पे during monsoon season. So you have to write a letter to editor on this topic. So please note down the question, then we'll write it together. And make the first paragraph also, I will come to you. Yes, Karthik, you are raising your hand.
यस मैम मैम आपने बोला था ना कि फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में मैंने वो बोला है.
Okay, speak up.
Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw attention of authorities and general public towards the issue of water logging during monsoon season. The problem of water logging during monsoon season is increasing day by day, and it leads to the annoying of people.
Okay, well done. So yes, Veda, you have to introduce yourself and you have to introduce the topic and you have to add 1 to 2 lines extra also. Okay, this problem is increasing day by day and it is getting worse day by day. Okay. So okay, I'm giving you again 1 minute. So please note down your first of all question, then write down your first paragraph. And those who have already written, they can write down their second paragraph. Okay, Sabya, you can speak up, beta.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, you can ask your question. Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. When we are writing the letter, then we have to mention the subject, that sender's address. Then we will write the address, or directly we will write.
Beta, I didn't get your doubt. Please repeat it again. Repeat it, please.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. When we are writing the letter, then we have to mention the subject, sender's address, or we will directly write the address.
Okay, you will directly write the address, beta. So whenever everyone I write sender's address and whatever sometime date. So here you have to directly write down date. No need to write down this word date. Okay. ऐसे sender's address पे सीधा address लिख देना. No need to write this word sender's address.
Okay.
Now who's ready? Adgun. Adgun, please speak up the first paragraph, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I, Adgun Kaur, wish to draw the attention of general public and authorities towards the water logging due to monsoon season. Due to this problem, many mosquitoes gathers and bites people, and when someone passes through the water, bad smell comes through, and it does not give a good response.
Okay, no doubt your point is
Due to this,
your point is very nice that it gives mosquito a chance to for breeding. But this thing you will highlight better in the second paragraph, okay? Where effects are written. So मैंने एक effects word लिखा था उसमें आएंगे ये सारे, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, point is valid that mosquitoes sometimes come, and even children they get just injured sometime. Okay. Next one is Gorish. Gorish, you can speak the first paragraph, and I'm going to make the second
Yes,
paragraph
ma'am.
quickly. Yes, beta. Gorish.
Yes, ma'am. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw attention of authorities and general public towards the issue of waterlogging in a society. The problem of waterlogging is increasing day by day, and people are so much frustrated due to this problem.
Exactly, yes. So this problem is getting worse day by day, and we people, and we are very frustrated with this problem, okay? And we need the solution just in coming days or urgently. Okay, fine, well done. Now, second paragraph, first of all, write down the present condition, okay? These days the monsoon season is going on. Okay, you will start from this thing because you have to mention the present condition ki aajkal kya chal raha hai. Okay, so monsoon season is going on, so even after the rain for just the duration of 1 to 2 hours, okay, our streets and our roads, they turn into rivers. Okay, so you can just write down the present condition, then you can write down the causes. So the major cause for this is the faulty sewage system. Okay, so that is underground, so no one repairs that system, and then it lets the water to just locked on the street. So you can write down two causes. I think two will be enough, 2 to 3, and then you can write down effect, like Adgun said, mosquitoes are there. Okay, children even they fall down, and our vehicles stop, okay, in between. So some 3 effects, then you will give solutions. Okay, obviously solution क्या होंगे जो causes हैं, that sewage system should be repaired timely by the authorities, and these type of things. Okay, now make the paragraph, then I'll come to you. Harmeet, I'm going to give you a chance. Give me 1 minute. Okay, one by one. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written second paragraph.
Okay, you can speak, then Harmeet, then Jasween. Yes, beta.
Okay. These days monsoon season is there, so the problem of water logging is a very major and highly issued problem. This problem leads to the annoying of people. People cannot drive their vehicles properly. Children and people who drive their vehicles faster on these water logging streets fall down, and which leads to the major accidents.
Okay.
The roads and sewages are not well maintained. And then these we can sometimes these waterlogging streets dirt make our clothes dirty as some people drive their vehicles faster, and that waterlogging dirty water get on our clothes and make our clothes dirty.
Yes, valid point. Yes, exactly. So, okay, these were the effects. Okay, now you can give
Ma'am,
solution in 2 to 3
itna.
lines. Okay. So if you have written this much, you can add some lines. Okay. So beta, in the present condition, you have to write down only present condition. Then is
Okay,
likhna hai.
ma'am.
Okay. Then Harmeet, you can speak up better.
Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I, Harveer Singh, wish to draw the attention of general public and authorities towards the problem of water logging during the monsoon season. It, this shows a very major problem with the drainage system in the city, as accidents are also caused due to this. This situation is especially bad on roads below some flyovers, as so much major accidents are also caused.
Okay, fine. Okay. So this much you have written. Okay. So this problem is worse even under the flyovers, okay? And this leads to so many diseases and like dengue, malaria, you can mention some diseases also, okay? Now Jasmine, where are you Jasmine? Okay. Yes, beta, speak up please. Second paragraph.
हम second paragraph में हम step first बोलना था.
Okay, fine. Okay, first beta, okay. It's okay.
Your esteemed newspaper, I just mean God wish to draw the attention of the general public and authority towards the problem of waterlogging. This waterlogging can cause lots of diseases to the people, and this is increasing day by day in our locality.
Exactly, well done. So first, I think first paragraph is clear to all. Okay, that okay, that I Adgun, I Harmeet, I Savya, whatever. Okay, wish to draw attention of authorities and general public towards the issue of water logging during monsoon season. We people are frustrated. I like this line a lot. So general public is frustrated with this water logging, and we want a solution. Okay, urgently. So you can write this your first paragraph. Second में बेटा अगर आप line wise चलोगे then you will be able to write the ह्यूज पैराग्राफ, ठीक है, लार्ज पैराग्राफ. अदरवाइज अगर आप बीच बीच में से लाइंस लोगे कभी इफेक्ट की कभी कॉज की, देन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू राइट इट प्रॉपरली, और वो देखने में भी इतना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, कनेक्टिविटी नहीं लगेगी. ओके, पहले आपको प्रेजेंट कंडीशन लिखनी है दैट आफ्टर जस्ट इट गेट्स रेन फॉर जस्ट 1 to 2 hours our streets turn to rivers, okay, and water comes, okay, till our knees also, ठीक है, our knees even get submerged in that water, and the water is so dirty. This is your present condition. Then you will write causes. I think the main reason for this water logging is faulty sewage system. There is problem in sewage system and nobody repairs it. That is the main cause, ठीक है. And then you will give effects that mosquitoes are there, dengue, malaria, all the effects. Then you can give solution. अगर आप सोचोगे कि हर चीज में मैंने 3 लाइंस लिखनी है, देन यू विल बी एबल टू राइट 12 to 13 लाइंस इजीली, ठीक है, और आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू कंप्लीट योर लेटर, ठीक है. देन इन द लास्ट पैराग्राफ you can write what you expect from the editor, that I request you to highlight this issue in your reputed newspaper so that authorities can wake up from their deep sleep. Okay, you can always use these type of words also, okay. So I shall be very thankful to you. Then the ending format, okay. So this is your homework. You have to do this in your fair notebook. Argun, I'll just give you chance on Monday, okay, because I think it's 11:26. So Harmeet, quickly better take the attendance, then they will leave the meeting. Yes, Harmeet. If you have taken attendance, then please show me thumbs up or say yes. And when Harmeet will send me this list,
मैम ओके
वहाँ पे कैमरा का साइन बना होता है, वहाँ पे अगर रेड कैमरा आता हुआ, that means your camera is off. So I will just note down the names from there. Okay. Okay. I'll meet you then tomorrow. Not tomorrow, on Monday. Take care, beta.